Hello, welcome to IZI channel. In this video, I will show you how to use drill down feature on the analysis. For example, I want to add drill down on this sales order analysis. I want to see the detail of taxed and untaxed amount by clicking on its status. To do that, click on the arrow button. Click on Edit Analysis. First, I will show you the metrics and the dimensions on this analysis. I had 3 metrics in sales order analysis. Count of ID to see the ratio of sales by its status. The rest are taxed and untaxed amount, which I want to show as drill down. For the dimension, I use the status of the sales order. To create the drill down, click on Drill Down tab. Click Add a line. Choose Status. Choose the visual for the drill down. Here I choose bar chart. Click on Save. Now, if we go back to the dashboard, we can see the drill down as we click on the pie chart. We can see the details of taxed and untaxed amount of sales order status. We can also click on the bar chart to see all the sales that in sales order status, like this. Now, I already show you how to use drill down feature on the analysis. Go try it out on our website demo.iziapp.id. Thank you and have a nice day.